We continue our journey through Eastern Europe by heading into the Baltic countries. Our first stop is the small yet intriguing Lithuania. While most travelers head straight to Vilnius, we decided to explore the country's second city, Kaunas. Kaunas, Lithuania's second largest city, is full of unique features that make it a fascinating destination for those seeking something beyond the usual tourist routes. Known for its strong Lithuanian identity, about 93% of its population is ethnically Lithuanian, with smaller communities of Belarusians, Ukrainians, Poles, Latvians, and others. This composition reinforces the idea that Kaunas is deeply rooted in Lithuanian culture. The city is lively, especially on weekends, and has nothing to envy from Vilnius. With more than 329,000 residents, Kaunas is not only the country's second largest city, but also its former provisional capital until 1940. It saw remarkable growth during the Soviet era, reaching its peak population at that time. If you're looking for a meaningful and genuine connection, Lithuanian women can offer something truly special. In Lithuania, the richness of the culture and the depth of its values create a unique environment for anyone wishing to meet a woman from this land. Family lies at the heart of life in Lithuania. Lithuanian women hold a deep respect and affection for their loved ones, and this value is reflected in how they approach relationships. For them, a man who shows devotion and commitment to his own family is someone they can deeply connect with. They appreciate a partner who values family and is willing to build a strong bond based on mutual support. Lithuanian women also share a strong connection with nature, which plays a vital role in their daily lives. The beauty of Lithuania's landscapes, from forests to lakes, is part of their identity. If you're planning a romantic escape, consider exploring these natural wonders together. Offering a bouquet of wildflowers or enjoying a walk along a forest trail can be a charming way to honor her love for nature. The main pedestrian street of Kaunas, known as Laisvė Liberty Avenue, is the beating heart of the city's social life. By day, this 1.7 km-long avenue comes alive with activity. Sidewalk cafes turn into gathering spots where people sip coffee while watching the world go by. Shops, ranging from fashion boutiques to bookstores, invite visitors to pause and explore. Stretching from the historic Liberty Square to the majestic monument of Vytautas the Great, it's a landmark for both locals and tourists. Street performers and musicians often add to the lively atmosphere, while at night the avenue transforms. Bars and restaurants fill with people eager to enjoy local food, a glass of wine, or simply the relaxed vibe. Cultural events, such as open-air concerts, are also common, making Laisvė a dynamic and ever-interesting place. This street blends tradition and modernity perfectly, where Kaunas's history meets its vibrant present. It's where people gather, socialize, and create memories. Truly the community hub of Kaunas. I hope you found this information interesting. If you enjoyed it and would like to see more content like this, don't forget to give this video a big like. And subscribe to our channel.